Every time I rise, you know me, I go hit the mark. Never know if this will be the last day we are gonna talk. Lay my life on the line, every day this I'm a walk. I wanna be your hero.
The fallout continues over the leaked video allegedly showing Minister of Justice Carl Stewart brutally assaulting his wife, Dita Stewart.
Good morning, Madam Prime Minister.
I couldn't tell when was the last time I saw you.
We are doing everything in our power to find Mrs. Stewart and bring her home to her family.
Bring her in. Dita, this is Michael Carrington. Him is the guy who's going to get you out of this country.
I don't do that kind of work anymore.
Who else have the means? The skills?
She can't hide anywhere where me can't find her.
I'm going to kill her.
Say the word. Me have people ready for move.
Remember why you chose this, as you call them.
It's who them man dey. It don't concern you.
Me just send you a new skull for you identify. Find him and take him out.
I have no fucking time for this, okay? I've got a business to run and girls to protect.
Make sure that no one knows you spoke to me. And make sure that no one follows you, okay?
Bastard, find out.
And you saved my son's life.
Dina! I have people that can deal with you.
Another Yardbridge Entertainment production.